And you know what? It's time for the baked apple crisp to come out. This has been a short episode, few ingredients, not a lot of preparation, so we didn't want to do a whole thing. And we made this highball whiskey. It's a weird combination, but it's quick and easy and simple.
Or not so simple.
Like my education. Here it comes.
Wow.
What do we got? We got apples, we got cinnamon, we got flour, we got butter. We mixed it all together, and there's one last thing we gotta do. Ice cream.
Use the Campbell's bowls. Campbell's. Spoons are in the sink, in the dishwasher.
Ah! Now, outside of the baking, which takes about 45 to 50 minutes, this is a very simple dish you can make, and you can really wow your friends if you had any. Here's how I'm going to do it. The old scoop-a-roop method.
Ooh.
2 little foundation, and then you can make sort of like a little incision with a spoon. And you want to serve it hot.
Wow. Wow.
And for good measure. And there you have it. Now that's just a quick way to make apple crisp and be drunk. We'll see you next time on Quick Tips with Chef Vin Vin. Fuck yourself.